I had white Converse, and I decided to wear them to a beer Olympics that my friend hosted a couple of months ago. I think it was like in August. So it's been 3 months. It's November now. It's been 3 months and I haven't washed them, and they smell like beer. So yeah, I was just gonna show you how I'm gonna clean them, and how I'm gonna try to get them white again. I don't know if this is really gonna work, but if it does, that would be awesome. So that way you guys can know how to clean your white Converse or any white shoes. So let me get everything set up and we will get right into it. Okay, so I had to charge my battery. I only have one battery. I need to invest in some new ones. Maybe I'll buy some tonight since it's Thanksgiving or Thanksgiving night. So maybe I'll buy some more for Black Friday shopping. I don't know. But here I am. I put an apron on just because I don't want to ruin my clothes. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I read a couple different recipes. Baking soda, peroxide, detergent. This is the detergent that I use, and a scrub brush. But they said do not use, oh jeez, it's been a minute since I've recorded. They said don't use bleach because that'll yellow your shoes. So I'm not going to use bleach. And I've got a towel to lay them out on. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Got that. So I guess I'm going to get a bowl. And I guess pour my mixture in. I think I'm going to do the baking soda, detergent, and water, and they said equal parts. I'm gonna do warm water. Let's do 1/3 of a cup. I don't know, I need a lot. I need to do both of my shoes. And it said to remove your laces, so I don't know if I'm just gonna buy new laces or just throw these in the wash. Stay tuned. That's what it looks like. I don't even know if you can see that. That's what it looks like. Here are my shoes. I guess I need to get those wet. This takes so much like manpower, I guess, or like arm muscles. I don't have arm muscle. This hurts. I don't want to pay any more money for shoes. Never wear white shoes, okay? Just don't do it. Don't buy them. They look nice, but just don't. And if you do, don't wear them to a beer Olympics where there's dirt like an idiot, and then you're drunk and you don't care what happens. So now you get to do this. I'm over it. It's 6:08. I don't know if you can see that. 6:08. I'm gonna turn the camera off and then I will be back in about 10-15 minutes and I'll show you how I feel and what's going on and if my arm feels like spaghetti. So I'll be right back. Alright, so it is 6:15. In a few more minutes. This is what I'm left with. So I've been scrubbing in total maybe more than 10 minutes. The rubber got pretty white. I could have scrubbed better there, but this is pretty good. I guess I'm gonna have to see what happens. Oh, there's still a lot of soap on it, but I rinsed them off, I thought, really well, but this is what I'm left with. I don't want to scrub anymore. Those aren't gonna come out. Here's the back. So that's what I'm left with. I put the shoelaces in the mixture. I scrubbed them. I just laid them on like flat on the sink and I just scrubbed them really good with the scrub brush. Oh, come on. I these to the washer, I guess, because the video that I watched, she threw them in the washer after. So, but I'm just gonna throw them in like that. I don't know if I should add any more detergent or like Downy. I'm just gonna add like a splash of detergent, like just ever so slightly. It'll get, okay, just like that, just a little drop. And then keep it on cold. I'm gonna do deep water wash and an extra rinse. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do just a casual wash because I feel like regular might be too harsh. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna do casual, and then okay, so it has been a couple days since I last updated you guys on my shoes. I believe they were drying, or I just took them out the washer. It took 2 full days for them to dry, and I just air dried them. I did not put them in the dryer because I didn't want the heat or anything to melt the rubber or ruin the canvas or anything like that. But they are completely dry now, and I'm about to show you what they look like. But I want to talk about my shoelaces and what I did with those because I didn't really talk about them much. I scrubbed them with the brush and the solution in the sink. I think I talked about that, but I kept them in that solution of water, detergent, baking soda, and then I added a little bit of hydrogen peroxide in it, and they turned out so good. They're still a little wet because I left them in there for 2 days, 2 full days, and just let them soak. And then when I was finished, or when I felt like they were finished, I just rinsed them with warm water, and they're still a little damp because I did that this morning, but they've just been hang drying and they turned out really well. So I don't have to buy new laces, which laces are cheaper than shoes anyways, but if I didn't have to spend the money, I didn't want to. But now I'm going to show you my shoes. These are my shoes. I'm not sure if you can really see that, but there's some yellowing still. I scrubbed them for like maybe 15 minutes total. I probably could have scrubbed them more, and then I threw them in the washer. I'm not really sure if that was necessary or not. I probably could have just done a rinse cycle instead of adding more detergent into it because it doesn't really seem like it did much. But I'm pretty satisfied with the results. They're still a little bit yellow, which, I mean, with all the wear and tear that I've had on these, I've had them for almost 4 years, and I wear them every summer, and just, you know, going to that party and having all of the dirt and everything that got on them and all of the drinks that were spilt on them on accident. I'm not mad at it at all. I'm pretty pleased with this. I would wear them again. I hope you guys like the video. I hope it helps you. Give me a thumbs up because that helps me. That lets me know that you like the video, you want more videos like this. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried this or something different for your white shoes. Maybe I can still use it. Hi, Oliver. Yeah, let me know down below if you have any tips that I could try for the future, or that I could still use on these shoes, or let me know how you got stains out of your white shoes. So I will just see you guys in the next video. Bye.